Okay, boys and girls, here is our new spelling skill this week. It's kind of a silly video. I think you'll enjoy it, so here we go.
Welcome to my laboratory. I want to show you my new machine, the Pluralator. It makes more than one. Every word has a body. A body can have a tail. This tail is special. It is called a plural. The S tells us there is more than one duck. That means I can use my Pluralator. See? Now there are lots of ducks. Sometimes the tail that is a plural is ES. ES makes the sound is. Boxes. So how do you know when to use S or ES? Use ES after one of these hissing sounds. Glasses, dishes, bunches. Now you know how to use tails to show there is more than one. Plurals! What an excellent student. Ah, you are so clever. Oh no, the Pluralator is going out of control. Stop! No! Ah! I must get out of here. It is going crazy.
Okay, so the next slide is going to explain this a little bit more to you. So move on to the next slide.